I'm gonna have to bleep that out because I haven't told them yet. Good morning. I slept on my bunk bed. It was really nice. I put down this new topper and it feels so good. First time waking up to my curtains. Something that I would like to work on are window curtains for the bunk bed area because there are no curtains. I just have this little hanging flap. I just have to figure out what I want to do. I'm still deciding if I want to cut the curtains.
You may practice this meditation today seated. You may also practice this meditation standing. Sensations that are happening on your skin, the weather, the wind, the temperature, and the energy pulling this prana, this life force. Inhaling down of every inhale and the upward, outward sensation of every exhale. And in this way, when we tune into the breath, we feel the rise and the fall.
I am so happy with my curtains. Just casually staring my water bottle down because I have to get up and get it. I sleep with my water bottle by my bed, whichever bed I'm sleeping in on that night. I don't make my bed when I wake up in the morning. I stopped doing it. Someone's starting their car. I stopped doing it after I saw some studies that said it's better to wait some time, because after sleeping for some time you need to like let it air out kind of, and don't just like make your bed, because bacteria or whatever needs to be able to like kind of air out at least a couple minutes. Like I don't just get up and then make my bed. So my bed is still not made. That's one of my little habits. I don't make my bed right away.
You won't play. And here is the point of the necessity of the gamble. And when the risk is taken out of human relationships, they become impossible.
My mom made me oatmeal and tea. I'm having peppermint tea this morning. Yum. The oatmeal is so good. It has cinnamon, raisins, a banana, and made with love. Cheers. Don't worry, I have a fire extinguisher for those asking.
Fantasizing about her hand is rich in poison. In fact, it's in such bad shape that I can rise when I cross from fantasy into action. He keeps his eyes on the paperwork, and when he looks up at me, I sense anger, or maybe dislike, almost like a vapor coming from his eyes. This time, I'm put in the rapid recovery unit, a place that's about as antithetical to recovery, let alone a rapid one, as you can imagine. She shakes her head and tells me nothing can be done. I feel like I'm going to throw up as the realization that I'm locked up, really locked up, hits. To know what will give me hope again, and asks what they're doing for my treatment.
I am going to put liners in my drawer. Yeah, it's not cute. And I just took off my nail polish because my hands, oh, that sounded like an accident. Wow, these are actually really nice drawers. I'm actually going to line them with this easy liner. There's no sticky stuff, you just put the liner on top. So I have to measure it out and cut it. It was so satisfying to remove that. Something that I didn't show you guys in my RV tour video is that in my closet, when you open the door, there are actually 4 drawers. There's 2 on this side and 2 on this side. And these are also lined. Corners were dirty. Ooh, perfect. This is so satisfying. It's that time again. I'm going to do a little plant section here, so I'm super excited. Up here I have my tarot cards and some sleepy time tea, and I usually put my cauldron up there as well, my mini cauldron. And this is the cork from the wine bottle when I first got my RV on the first day, and I celebrated. I can't wait to put some plants in here. My mom made me a sandwich. Yum yum. It has, I don't know, I just like this. This is probably weird for some of you, but it's just cheese, tomato, lettuce, mayonnaise, and mustard. It's really good. The mayonnaise and mustard really add to it. And some Flamin' Hot Cheetos. I have a full-on huge bag of these because, well, it's a long story. It has to do with the lady at the RV that I took the 2-hour Uber ride for. It has to do with that. So I have a huge box of these that I put into a bag, and I've been sharing with my brother, and we still have a lot left. And that's been since the beginning of February that we've had tons of these chips. In the middle of the parking lot, yeah. I am getting ready to take my mom to the store. We're gonna have a little adventure. This is one of my favorite old school Taylor Swift songs. I put my curtains like this to show my mom how I was debating to cut these, and she was like, why don't you just leave it like that? Like, cut the middle one and keep the 2 side ones like that. And I was like, oh, that's actually kind of cute. Can you guys see? Let me see. So that's my mom's cross. So then it would be like this. It's kind of cute. What do you guys think? Is that a bit much though? Like, I think it's nice because then you have like, you can see the space in here, but the inside is closed. It's like an entrance kind of way. That's actually a really nice little mistake. So I might keep it like that. I might cut the middle part. What do you think? I am going to pick a color. I've been wearing this nail color lately. It's so cute. It's my newest one. This is the one I just took off. It's called Insta Dry and it's a Sally Hansen nail polish, and it's my favorite color now. I like it a lot. I have one similar, but it's more greenish. This is the Essie one, and this is Sally Hansen. This one is Time is Money, and I love that. And because it's not time, it's actually time like the herb. Right now I have 4 nail polishes that are colored nail polishes, and then I have a clear. So this is my newest one, the Sally Hansen. It's a Insta Dry, and I also have a Sally Hansen. These other 2 are Sally Hansen, and the red one is Pucker Up, and this one, which is one of my favorite colors, it's Lacy Lilac. Love this one. And then I have this Essie nail polish, and it's color 310. I wish they named it the same way Sally Hansen does, because I love the names of Sally Hansen nail polishes. They're so cute. I guess I'll do a different color today. So we're going with this one. Today I'm not gonna do a base coat. I'm just gonna do a regular one coat of the color, because ain't nobody got time for that. The thing that I was going to talk to you guys about the chips, is that when I went to Bakersfield on my 2-hour Uber journey to buy the RV that I only bought for like a minute or 2, because the people felt so bad that I took that whole trip there. They like pampered me, you know, the lady did my nails, and the husband gave me a box of flaming hot Cheetos because he worked at a company for the company, and he had a bunch of boxes of flaming hot Cheetos. So I came back RV-less, but with a box full of flaming hot Cheetos. So that's my little story. Just finished both hands. I'm actually gonna do a clear coat on the top because why not? This is my roof. I need to sweep. I am going to buy some sealant for the areas that will be resealed. This is what things look like. This is my sunroof to the bathroom, and this is my air conditioning, and this is my sunroof. I need to open it. I shouldn't have closed it. I need to sweep under there because there's some leaves from when I had my sunroof open. But yes, I'm going to sweep. All clean. Where those 4 things are, there was a storage unit up there. When I leave my sunroof open, leaves fall inside. Perfect. This is the area above the bed that is above the cab, and I will have to reseal all of this. It is definitely what I need to do. So we just came to Walmart. My mom is finally in a video. Some of you are asking. Some of you asked me to ask my mom. Well, you didn't ask me to ask her, but you were wondering how my mom liked my RV, so I'll let her answer.
I really like the RV, and it's so nice and comfortable in the inside.
Yeah.
And she's fixing it up. She knows how to fix up things. So
yeah.
It's really nice and cozy in the inside. I really like it.
Yeah, so that's her answer. She likes my RV. When she first saw it, she was surprised at how spacious it was.
Yeah.
Because
and
she can stand.
Straight up.
Yeah. She can.
I'm the 50-foot woman and I can still stand up in it.
Yeah, she can stand up. She's taller than me.
Yes. 6'3".
I don't think so, Ma.
Oh, okay.
Look at us next to each other. Do you think so?
I think so. Well, that's a...
Because they said I'm 5... Actually, last year they said I'm 5'9". I thought I was 5'8".
Well, they never can measure me right at the thing. One person said I'm 5'8".
But maybe you
5'9".
are, because look, your shoulder is higher than mine.
6'3". Let's put it at that. That's good. That's a good one.
They say different things every time you go, huh?
Yeah, never put... I think one time they put 7 foot though.
Oh, they did?
Uh-huh.
How did they go from 6'3" to 7 foot?
It was different places.
Oh. Anyway, we're going to Walmart and my mom likes my RV. So
yes,
we're going on a little shopping adventure.
And her name is...
I'm going to have to bleep that out because I haven't told them yet. Comment below what you think my RV is named. I have a hint in the description box. I seriously brought my full-on planner in because I have a list of things. I'm excited to be in the hardware section. I'm gonna get some sandpaper because I have a little project I want to do. That was the sandpaper for tools. I want the sandpaper. Oh, this is what I need. Is this painter's tape? Yes. We're gonna be doing some projects. What I was saying was I want the handheld kind of sandpaper, not, I don't have like a sandpaper kind of tool. Okay, I'm gonna get this sanding sponge. It's better than using the sandpaper. I'm looking for the spray paint. Found the spray. I seriously never look in the shoe aisle, but these are so cute. I've never really looked in the shoe aisle at Walmart because I just assume all the shoes are not cute, but they don't have my size. These are super cute. They don't have my size. They only have a 6, I'm a 7. We made it out of the store. Thank you. The perks of shopping with an RV is you have lots of storage. I have a key for my gas tank. I need to get this replaced because I have a crack. Alright you guys, I'm going to head to bed. Tonight I'm sleeping up here above the cab because it looks so comfortable. Last night I slept on the bottom bunk bed, but I'm switching it up tonight, going back up here. It's kind of fun to just like, you know, switch it up and sleep in different parts of the RV. I want to show you guys before I head out something that I found in my mom's garage. This is my second iPod because my first one was one of those small thin ones that looked like a stick and had no screen. But this one is my second iPod that I've ever had, and I don't know which generation or whatever this is, but I had it engraved because they had the free engraving, and it says Charly, a part of us remains wherever we have been. I think this was a quote that I saw before I moved to Korea, like many years ago. And I don't know where the quote is from, but if I can find it, I will post it. It might be an unknown quote. That was very special to me to find this and see the quote because I've traveled so much since I got this. I don't think I even had started traveling at this time. I think I was just, oh my gosh, I just dropped it. Anyway, I think I just was like, I like the quote, and maybe traveling was like in my future and I didn't even know it. So anyway, like the video if you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment, answer one of the many questions I've asked you guys in this video. Comment below what you think my RV is named. I have a hint in the description box. If you would like to support my channel, all the links will be in the description box. My PayPal, Patreon, Venmo, Cash App, all of that will be down there if you guys want to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh yeah, I bought paint and I can't wait to show you what I'm gonna do with it.